If your teacher sends you an email before class, make sure you open it and print out any attachments and handouts that she may have sent you. You're going to need them in a good place to refer to during class.
So this is going to be a lot of fun for all of us, and we want you all to enjoy your time in our Zoom class.
What I love about Zoom is that I don't have to share a table.
So many of the workshops that I teach use templates that I email ahead of time. And one thing that's helpful for being prepared for a Zoom workshop is printing out those templates in the right size. Many printers will default to scaling what's in the document. It may make it larger or it may make it smaller. So I'd like to share a screenshot with you of the exact thing that you need to select on your computer to get your templates to print out correctly. It may look a little different depending on what kind of device you have, but the wording should be similar. So this is a screenshot of an Adobe Acrobat Reader. And when I asked my Adobe Acrobat Reader to print, I need to be sure that it says actual size like it does there. If it says fit, like there with the red circle around it, then my document's not going to print the way that the designer or the quilt teacher intended for it to be printed. So be sure that it says actual size.
We're here to have fun. Let's all have a great time together.
If you happen to have already taken a class with one of our Global Quilt Connection teachers via Zoom, we would love it so much if you went to globalquiltconnection.com and filled out our review form. We love nothing more than being able to send glowing compliments to our teachers. It just makes their day. It also does them a huge favor by letting them show other guilds who might want to hire them how really wonderful they are.